I'm Katie, and this is Living in the Now. On my channel, I talk about everyday manifesting, stories and examples to help you to manifest everything you desire. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe so more people can find me and so I can keep teaching you how to manifest fast and easy. Today's video is a good one, so stay to the end. I'll explain why circumstances don't matter and how to manifest what you want faster. So, circumstances are really just anything you see in the way of your desire. Any reason or thought that says you can't have it and that it can't happen. Like people, money, where you live, past experiences. Like, this has always happened to me, so it probably will again. Or I never have had that before, how can I now? Or the person I'm with can never change. Or how get money, I only have one job. It's all these things. Here's an example. I can't make more money because I've always only made this much. Or I can't meet a new boyfriend because I live in a small town and there aren't any. Circumstance-type thoughts say and imply I can't have it and it can't happen. In the first one, the circumstance is thinking that you can't make more money than you have in the past since you can't see any other way that it can come to you or happen. The second one says you can't meet someone because of the circumstance of where you live. So guess what? Circumstances don't matter and don't have to matter. If you look closer, what is a circumstance really? It's actually the how. It's really all narrowed down to doubt on how it will happen and how you'll get your desire. Because of all these different things. Situations, past, and future doubt, right? So if you see circumstances as the how, then it makes more sense. So the how doesn't matter. How you get your desire doesn't matter. The how isn't up to you. The how is actually done for you. So what makes your manifestation happen faster is dropping the how. Dropping and not caring or focusing on how your desire will happen. Just the end result of your desire itself. So that means if I want a new boyfriend or girlfriend, I focus on that and see myself as having it, thinking and convinced I'll have it and it will happen. How it happens doesn't matter and isn't up to me. I just say what I want and convince myself it'll happen and I'll have it. How about a real-life example? A real-life example of this, it was at work. They hired a new person and I wasn't a fan of this new person. She said even and claimed, "I'm going to work here forever. I really like it." And I thought at first, oh no, because I didn't want her to work there. But I did the 3 steps anyway. I decided what I want, said it, and was convinced I'd have it and that it would happen. So I just focused on the end result of her no longer working there. And weeks later, she left and quit. I was amazed. The world around me found a way to have that happen for me. So the how didn't matter. The circumstance of her saying she wanted to work there forever and wouldn't ever quit may make most people doubt it's even possible to have it any other way. But doing my method proved it can work no matter what a person says or no matter what the situation. Since parallel realities exist, the old paths that you have and what has always happened doesn't have to happen anymore or matter. You can simply do the 3 steps to manifesting and step into a new parallel reality where you get your desire. Each moment is new, and an entirely new parallel reality. So by deciding what you want, saying what you want, and a wanted story about it, then being convinced it'll happen and you'll have it, is what makes it manifest. Also see my videos on how to manifest in 3 steps if you want more detail on the 3 steps. Usually what prevents that from manifesting is your bad thoughts about it. Thoughts that say and imply, I can't have it and it won't happen. So when you think of all these circumstances in the way, the how it can or could happen in the way, that prevents it. So if you realize the how doesn't matter and keep dismissing the how, then it clears the way for your desire to happen faster and easier. How thoughts make you feel it won't happen and you won't have it, which prevents it. So what can you say to deflect the how thoughts and dissolve them? For me, I say that I say what I want and it happens. I always get what I want. I want the thing I want. And as I say that, I see myself as having it in the moments that I say it. And I'm convinced just because I said that line plus what I want, that I'll have it and it will happen. If the desire is more specific, then I make a wanted story about it. And this all convinces me that I'll have it and that it will happen. If how thoughts come up, I say the how doesn't matter. The how isn't up to me. I want this, and I think of my end desire, the end result, like a relationship or money. I see or know the end. I've also said or added that I say what I want, it happens. I always get what I want. I want the world around me to find a way to give me my desire now. I want my desire to come to me and find me exactly where I am now. Or I say and assume that when I say what I want, the world around me shifts and changes and makes and finds a way for me to have my desire now, which has worked and become true for me. Those sentences and thoughts convince myself it'll happen and I'll have it, which is what manifests it. To manifest anything, decide what you want, say what you want, and as you say what you want, see yourself as having it, and find a way to convince yourself that it will happen and you will have it. So sentences like that make me not worried about the how, or about the past, or about any past results. Since each moment is new, and the how doesn't matter, I just say what I want and it happens, and the world around me finds a way to give it to me. So try that. Drop any thoughts of doubt in how it can happen by replacing that and those thoughts with it can happen and I can have it each time. Focus on the end result and live in the feelings of if you had it now. What would it feel like if you did have it now? Or if you expected to have it really soon? You'd probably feel happy, calm, and content, expectant that it's coming and good overall. Think of it like a package in the mail. You know it's coming. You know it's coming, so you aren't trying for it, looking for it, struggling, worried, or upset. You don't have tons of doubt. You just decided what you wanted. You chose it. You said it. You clicked buy now, which is like saying what you want and the command of it. And now you know it's coming to you, so you feel content knowing it's coming. I want this desire. I'm convinced it'll happen, and I'll have it, since what I say I want happens. And I always get what I want. Things can shift and change and come to you, or you let to it. It's hard to believe at first until something you never thought could change or happen does, and you witness it for yourself. But it is possible, and I've seen it firsthand. So circumstances don't matter. Turns into the how doesn't matter. The how is taken care of for me. All I have to do is say what I want, and the world around me finds a way to give it to me. That's my video for today. Thanks for watching.